Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today's Saturday, December 14th, 2024, and we're in Huber Heights, Ohio at the construction site for Ohio's First Buc-ee's. We last did a video almost a month ago as construction was on hold due to an ongoing battle between the city of Huber Heights and Clark County over who was going to supply the water and sewage to Buc-ee's. After being in court for nearly 18 months, no resolution, the city of Huber Heights and Clark County came to a settlement out of court, so construction has now resumed. So we flew the drone today, and it doesn't look too much different than it did before. Most of the work that they're doing is underground, so it's not real visible. But we put the drone up anyhow. It's been a month since we showed it to you, so you can kind of compare it to the last time we brought you a video.
And they do have, the fencing does now have the coming soon Buc-ee's wording with the Buc-ee on it, and the construction company that is going to do the construction.
And we'll show you a close-up of that. So anyhow, it's good to be back. It's not a bad day for December. It's about 40 degrees, blue skies and sun. They said on the news that they don't think this 3-week construction stoppage will impact the grand opening. So hopefully we're still on track for December of 2025.
So hopefully in the next coming weeks, we'll actually have more progress to show you as the buildings, the power lines that hopefully will be removed.
Yeah, that's a good point, Sonia. The power lines that we've been talking about every week are still have not been moved, and that's going to have to be addressed. That building can't go up. And I know that the mayor of Huber Heights mentioned that AES, which is the power company, was working on getting those lines moved. So hopefully soon they'll get that taken care of so they can get on with the construction of the building.
And we were told before by someone else that once the building starts, they will go up pretty quickly.
Yeah, I'm sure these guys know what they're doing. So anyhow, hopefully we can get back to bringing you a weekly update.
And hopefully we'll have some where actually they're doing something instead of not doing something on the weekend.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to coming down here for the grand opening video.
So am I.
So anyhow, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe for more Buc-ee's construction update videos. And as always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Here's a good shot of the banners that have been placed on the fence. It's got the J. Raymond Construction on one side, Buc-ee's on the other, and a big coming soon right in the middle. Hopefully these banners will hold up. We get some pretty brutal winds here in Ohio, but I'm sure these guys took that all into account when they put them up. No activity today here on Saturday as construction crews have the day off. Hopefully they get some nice days like this to work in the coming months, because these winters can be a little bit brutal right through this area.